everybody, welcome to a new episode of the Dragon Slayer. I know it's been a week or so since I did my last video. I've been so busy during October. I'm hoping to catch up and do more videos again. But if not, I'll probably do an update video sometime next week along with the other unboxing videos. But I wanted to do an unboxing video of the holiday that it just came today. It's from the Hess Corporation, Hess Gas Corporation. It's their yearly holiday vehicle, toy truck. The Hess Corporation was a East Coast gas company. It started by Leon Hess back in the 30s. This is the last video I did was of its 90th anniversary vehicle. So go check that out. Go check out my other Hess videos because I explain more about the Hess Corporation and what they do now. They're more of an oil refinery company now. They sold off all their gas stations, but they kept their toy production and oil refineries. And I got back into collecting them, I think 2019 or 2020, I don't remember. But I used to have a bunch of them when I was younger, living on the East Coast. So let's unbox this. It is a sealed box, which was good. It always comes shipped like this, and this is what it looks like inside the box. It is a police truck and cruiser, and even though the cruiser is not really a cruiser, it's more of a SWAT team vehicle. Almost kind of like what you would see in Die Hard when the FBI is trying to take back the Nakatomi building. But there's the box. Each year is always marked on the tail on where the license plate frame would be. They tell you how it works. So, and I did do a video, I did a couple of videos, I think almost a year ago now, of past Hess boxes. So go check those out. You always get a little card telling you how to change the batteries and how many batteries it takes. So these are the batteries for the truck itself, and these are the batteries for the cruiser. And it's always well packaged, which is always cool. Pull the tab. There's the lights. That's light mode 1. Light mode 2. And then okay. Those are the 4 sounds. So that's the vehicle with the lights. And then you press the top button and the trailer, the back door comes down, and then there's the cruiser. And there's the tab to pull for that. Okay. Ah, there we go. It's got its own battering ram. So you have to pull out, but... And I don't think this makes noise. But it is well detailed. You got like the hatches where people would get in. This turns. And it is zipped. So that's cool. At first when I looked at it and ordered it, I'm not really impressed with it, but you know what? Now that I have it in my hand and looking at it, I actually think it's really cool. And this is the second police vehicle that the Hess Corporation's made for their toys. They made a police car back in the 90s, I think, or in the early 2000s, somewhere around there. But that's the 2023 Holiday Hess truck, so that's cool. Next year will be its 60th anniversary for the vehicles themselves. So it'll be interesting to see what they do for the 60th anniversary. To me, I would love them to make a train, because you know what? They could do a pretty good job with the train, make a Hess train, and they can make the Hess train big, and then for a special release every year, they can make a car to connect to it. So they can go to maybe do like a 5 limited run car train. So you have the engine, which would be the holiday vehicle. And then each year for 5 more years, they would do cars. So you have an oil tanker car, maybe a passenger car. So that would be kind of cool. So this is actually really cool. I actually do like it. But it'll be interesting to see what they do for next year for their anniversary edition. These are still available for sale, so I'll put a link down below if you want to get one. Even if you don't know what Hess is, it's a great toy for kids to play with, or for collectors that want to start collecting vehicles like this. So I'll put a link down below, and I'll put a link down below my website so you can check out my hobby page, and you can check out all the different Hess vehicles and other companies that have cloned the Hess cars, Hess trucks. So enjoy and have a good weekend, and see you all later.